Hi, ELLE's first ever advent calendar, that is this one, was the first to feature a number of beauty products including Hourglass, Dim Light, Benefit, Gimme Brow and so on, and as a result it was extremely popular. That one was designed by Richard Quinn. Last year's was designed by Bella Freud. This year's is also going to be designed by Bella Freud, and I don't really think last year's ELLE advent calendar was as popular, as amazing as the first one. Right. So this year's ELLE Advent Calendar contains 24 beauty products and retails at 125 quid. So that is what the packaging looks like. For me, this is, I prefer the first design, kind of hand-painted green and teal flowers. That is this one, the Richard Quinn design. It's kind of not like other beauty advent calendars in design. So yeah, I like that, unique look there. Now let's see what's inside this one, and then we'll do a price calculation and see if it is worth 125. The first product, Nails Ink Gel Effect Nail Polish in the shade St. James. That is 14 mils and full-sized and retails at £15. This is a classic red nail polish that is ideal for the festive season. We're seeing quite a few nails ink polishes, aren't we? The next product, oh dear, Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream, 15 mils. 50 mils retails at £87. Apparently 15 mils is worth 30 quid, but we're not going to count it because full size is 50 mils. Right, the next product is Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in shade 3, apparently you get. This is a product that we've seen even in the very first ELLE Advent Calendar. Now the thing is, they said that they were going to send out a Gimme Brow Mini in the first year, and they ended up sending out a full size. If it is full size, that's £22.50. If not, don't count it. The next product, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Where do I even start? It's from 111 Skin. It is the Rose Gold Illuminating Eye Mask Under Eye Patches. One sachet retails at £12. 2020 is the year we're seeing under eye patches every single place, every advent calendar ever. And I don't know about you, but I think these are very lazy inclusions, and I'm not happy about this at all. The next product is from Ouai. It is a super dry shampoo. 127 grams retails at 20 quid. 56 grams retails at 12 quid as standalone product. Yeah, we'll come back to that later. The next product is from Aurelia Skincare. 3 advent calendars I have shown you over the last few days, and all 3 contain this product, Aurelia Skincare Miracle Cleanser and Muslin Cloth. 50 mils you get. Standalone retail price of 22 quid, but full size is actually 120 mils, which retails at £42. So we'll count this as a standalone retail size later. The next product is from Molton Brown. You get the Recharge Black Pepper Body Wash, 50 mils. You get full size is 300 mils, which retails at 22 quid. The next product, a favorite of mine, Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. You get 3 sets, 3 individual sachets containing both the steps. Now, full size is actually £30. Yeah, step 1 and step 2. Don't say it's £60 because you need £2 per use. Yeah, step 1 and step 2, they're separate parts. Anyway, £30 retails at £89. Not going to count this. The next product is from Aveda, the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, 100 mils full sized at £25. Second straight advent calendar that I'm showing you containing this product. I know it's full sized, I know it's good for the hair and everything, but yeah, we're seeing quite a few of this year. Why is this? I'm wondering, you know how certain manufacturers in Italy make makeup for different brands. Yeah, the brands just come and label the products, put their label and logo and everything on the products. Or you know how Estee Lauder makes makeup for other brands as well. Is that what is happening with advent calendars this year? Are there private curating companies for advent calendars? Yeah, we'll put together your advent calendar. All you have to do is come and label it, brand it, put your logo on it, and give us a percentage of the profits that you make. That's it. Are there companies like, is that what's happening this year? Because I'm seeing so many repeats across advent calendars this year that it feels like the same set of people curated pretty much every beauty advent calendar this year. That's how I feel. What do you lot think of this? Tell me in the comments below. And then we'll move to the next product, Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick in Golden Pink. This is 1.6 grams. Now 1.6 grams is actually the full size of this product, and that retails at $23.50. So when this advent calendar does arrive, until then we're not going to know if this is indeed the full size that you're getting. If it is 1.6 grams, that does retail at $23.50. If it is not, ELLE says it's 1.6 grams, but mini. 1.6 is actually full. I mean, normally brands tell you it's full sized if it's actually not full sized. This is what, the other way around? Weird. Anyway, the next product certainly is full sized. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Bright Volumizing Mascara. You get 10 mils of it, and that retails at £26. Again, Lash Bright Mascara. We're seeing quite a few minis of these in other advent calendars, which is why, you know, I get the nasty feeling that the same brand and the same set of people are curating all these. You know, maybe curating is being outsourced these days or something. I don't know. Any beauty industry insiders who are watching are welcome to share their thoughts. The next product, Philip Kingsley Elasticizer 40 mils. Full size is 150 mils, which retails at 34 quid. At 75 mils, retails at 19 quid. The next product though is from Floral Street. Is the Arizona Bloom EGP 10 mils. You get 50 mils is full sized, and that retails at 60 quid. The next product though we haven't seen much of in beauty boxes or advent calendars. It is a Sisley, no, not Black Rose. It is a Velvet Sleeping Mask. 10 mils you get. Full size is 60 mils, retailing at 93 quid. I've been wanting to try the Velvet Sleeping Mask. I'm a sucker for a good sleeping mask, and Sisley makes some amazing ones. I've heard very good things about this product. Anyway, the next product is from Benefit. Now, I know we already saw the Gimme Brow, but this is the second product from Benefit in this advent calendar. It is the Dallas Rosy Bronze Blush. Now, this is another mini, which actually retails as a standalone at £14.50. We'll count that later. The next product, though, is full-sized and is the big ticket item in this advent calendar. It is from Dr. Seba. No, it is not that hyaluronic serum we see all over the place. This time, it is a pure vitamin C powder cream, which is a set of 5 vials of just below 2 grams of powder, 1.95 grams actually, and that retails at a whopping £85. Now these are vitamin C powder vials that you mix with your serum, because vitamin C in water, a watery vitamin C serum tends to oxidize. So this way you avoid the oxidation because it's in powder form, and you mix it right before applying it. So you mix a bit of it and apply as needed, you know, instead of the whole thing coming pre-mixed and oxidizing later. So vitamin C powder, I'm a huge fan of the concept of vitamin C powders. I am currently playing with the Ordinary's vitamin C powder, ascorbic acid powder. Right, the next product. See, this is another one that's making me very, very suspicious that the same set of people are curating all these advent calendars, you know. This one is the I Do eyeliner, £16, full-sized indeed. Oh dear, oh dear. I mean, how else do you account for this? This is ELLE. Yeah, it's very different from the other advent. This is run by ELLE magazine, the Hearst Group. This advent calendar is put together by the editorial team of the ELLE magazine, and that is owned by the Hearst Group. It has nothing to do with the other advent calendars that we see, but the same products are in every one. Makes me wonder if there is a company out there that curates advent calendars and beauty boxes, and, you know, just lets brands put together their logo and, you know, their own branding. The next product is from Dr. Barbara Sturm. It is the face cream, 20 mils. You get full size is 50 mils, retailing at £145. The next product is from Vita Liberata. It is a body blur instant HD skin finish. 50 mils you get. That has a standalone retail value of £15. Next, you have the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Primer. 10 mils you get. Full size is 30 mils, retailing at £34. The next is James Read Gradual Tan Sleep Mask. 25 mils you get, and that retails at £15. Yeah, because, you know, more and more fake tan-based products are exactly what we need in December. Next, you have Marc Jacobs full size, the High Shine Lip Lacquer Lip Gloss in Pink Parade, which is a very pale color, as you can see there. 5 mils retails at £30. I do wish it had been something more exciting from Marc Jacobs, you know, a full lipstick instead of a full lip gloss would have been nice, or even a single eyeshadow, or a bronzer, or one of those lovely gel eyeliners would have been nice, you know, in a nice midnight blue color or something. This very pale lip gloss isn't a very exciting product, for me at least. The next product is from Susan Kaufman. No, nothing to do with the nourishing body products, bath and body products. This time you get a pillow spray and you get 25 mils of it. 75 mils retails at £20. Lastly, you get a Bella Freud Starry Nights candle. 190 grams the candle is, and that retails at £20. Right, so let's count those full sizes and then we'll come back to standalone retail. Marc Jacobs gloss 30 quid, Ico 16, Dr. Sebo 85. We are at 131 already, and you pay 125 for the advent calendar. Anastasia Beverly Hills 157. I mean, that's 26 quid, yeah, but it adds up to 157. Aveda 25 quid adds to 182. 111 Skin Hair under eye patches 12 quid adds to 194. Nails ink polish 15 quid 209. Bella Freud candle 20 quid 229 pounds in full sizes alone, not counting any of those standalone retail prices, and you pay £125 for the advent calendar. So yeah, more than £100 savings in the full sizes alone. But that isn't the point. The point is whether you will use those full sizes. I mean, just because a brand tells you our contents are worth 1,000 quid, what if it's all tabs that you don't really want? You know, so always only calculate the value of the products that you want, that you need, that you will use, people. Please don't calculate the value of things that you don't want and end up paying enormous amounts for a bunch of tat. So keep in mind that I haven't counted the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick, if that is full size, £23.50. Now, how do I feel about this advent calendar? I like seeing that Bobbi Brown shadow stick. Apparently it sets in 3 minutes and doesn't budge. I like seeing the Dr. Sebo vitamin C powder cream. I like seeing the Sisley Velvet Sleeping Mask. We need to see more generously sized, at least 10 mils. Sisley in advent calendars, not the 3 mil shite that Harrods has been palming off on us year after year after year. 10 mils would be a minimum required starting size. And while I do like seeing Marc Jacobs in advent calendars, I do wish it had been anything but that pale lip gloss here. But I am not happy at seeing the 111 Skin Rose Gold under eye patches yet again, or the sheet mask that goes with it, or Ico eyeliner, or pillow sprays, or another Aveda hair mask, because I feel that these four have been repeated ad nauseum this year. I think you can count on one hand the number of advent calendars that did not feature these products. But you know, as I said, I'm also happy to see the Benefit blush, which is not something that you see in every advent calendar. Again, you know, it's like this. You have 2 or 3, oh, this is nice, we haven't seen this. Oh my god, not another Ico liner. You know, it becomes that way. It feels that way. So very mixed. The value is there. If you don't have these products, the 111 Skin Rose Gold Mask, the Ico eyeliner, the pillow spray and the Aveda, if you are not getting any advent calendar that features these products and you think you can use them, then yes, I agree, the value is definitely there. Otherwise, you know, these product repeats, if, as I suspect, a company is outsourcing the curation of these things, then that needs to stop. It is going to harm brands in the long run, because what's going to happen is a lot of us are not buying these advent calendars because of these repeats. All right? So they've already lost quite a few customers. Now, imagine that you are buying this advent calendar for the first time in your life. It's your first ever advent calendar. Other advent calendars have similar curations. So this will be the only advent calendar you buy, because you're going to take a look at the other advent calendar and go, oh, that 111 Skin Mask, Ico liner, pillow spray, Aveda daily repair. All these things are in there. Don't want it. Thanks. And next year, you're going to see the same things and go, nope. Right, so ultimately, this common curation is going to harm brands. Instead, if they, you know, sat down and thought there are enough beauty products to go around the equator a few billion times. There are enough beauty brands, enough variety in products from each brand to avoid all repetition whatsoever. year after year or from calendar to calendar. There is no need to repeat. There is no excuse for repetition. So if brands sat down and planned this out without repeats, then, it will be a good thing, and they will actually improve the sales, of that advent calendar, and in fact gain loyal customers for their brands. And don't tell me it is the individual brand that decides what must be included in an advent calendar. That is not how it works. I mean, the retailer has ample input, enough to say, here mate, you already sent us the Eve Long cleanser about 40 billion times in these advent calendars. Maybe we can try your rescue mask or some other product next, or something like that. It's a mutual decision. It's not the brand that says, right, Eve Long, here, we're going to give you the cleanser and nothing else for our advent calendar. And the poor retailer says, oh dear, what do I do? I'll just include that. That's not how it works. There's input for everybody. So as I said, there really is absolutely no excuse for shoddy curation, for repetition. I really, really want brands to take note of this. I know this channel is incredibly paltry, and I also know that sales are going to be huge this year because everybody's fed up of being stuck inside. Everybody wants to cheer themselves up this year. Everybody wants to treat themselves this year. So obviously sales are going to be there, and brands are not going to bother with what some idiot with 4,000 subscribers on YouTube has to say. However, I do hope that at least these videos of mine are making you think twice before you buy the same Eyeliner 111 Skin Under Eye Patches, Eve Long Cleanser, Aveda Damage Repair Thingy, and Aurelia Miracle Cleanser for the 40 billionth time. I hope it's at least making you a bit mindful before you spend your money. Goodness knows most of us are having monetary problems this year with this pandemic and everything. So what are your thoughts? Do you agree that this lazy curation, this constant repeat of the same product pool for all these advent calendars is getting a bit far? Or do you think, yeah, brilliant, you could do with lots and lots of pillow sprays and Eyebrow mini eyeliners and 111 Skin Under Eye Patches are the greatest things in your life? If that is how you feel, please do tell me. Yeah, this place is open for discussion. We can just agree to disagree, yeah? And keep it that way. Let's keep it pleasant though. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.